5 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to welcome you all to the 31st annual general meeting of your company. The director's report, together with audited accounts for the year ended 31st March 1985, have been in your hands for quite some time, and with your permission, I take them as read. Before I make any observations on the working of the company, I wish to make a brief reference to the notable events that took place since we met last in December 1984. Under the able and dynamic leadership of our young Prime Minister, the prestige of our country had risen all over the world. You know, Punjab and Assam accords reached in quick succession received praise from various leaders of the world. The central government had taken bold steps in announcing the long term policy, and some of the proposals will have a good effect on the economy, such as move towards simplification of direct tax laws and also other laws from 1st April 87. Coming now to the working of your company, we had a successful year of operation both in terms of productivity and profits despite various handicaps. As already pointed out, the forest raw material supply in the state of Karnataka is critical. In order to meet the requirements, your company has been making efforts to procure raw materials from other states, which has substantially increased the cost of production. Moreover, the company continued to import substantial quantity of waste paper cuttings, which resulted in increasing the capacity when compared to last year. You will be pleased to note that your company has been awarded the second best award in the paper industry by the National Productivity Council for the previous year, and the same was presented by the Prime Minister and received by the Executive Director of the company. The industry is making all out efforts to utilize other raw materials, but a major portion of customary raw material is needed to keep up the production, as it is convenient to run the high speed paper machines. The present policy of the government to allow the import of waste cuttings by the industry has benefited to a great extent to maintain the production. It is therefore expected that this policy would continue until such time when the industry overcomes the shortage of forest raw materials from within the country. The industry continues to undertake research and development program in order to achieve good results, but there is also a need to modernize and restore the existing units to achieve higher efficiency and production. Power is yet another problem which continues to hamper regular production. The Planning Commission has now allocated a large share of funds for generation of more power during the seventh plan period. It is hoped that this problem of power shortage will be overcome in the near future and regular production is maintained in all the industries in our state. In concluding, let me convey my thanks to my colleagues on the board, the financial institutions, banks, and other authorities whose cooperation was made available for the smooth working of the company. I would also like to place on record appreciation for the contribution made by the officers, staff, and workers in the progress of your enterprise. Thank you. Sir, thank you for your communication of the 1st May. We have noted all the points which are our report has to cover. Among other things, it will be agreed that this work will be carried out by our own competent senior technical assistants of the press. We are prepared to undertake the work and complete it as early as possible without causing any inconvenience to your company. As regards the fee, it is really a very difficult task on which we cannot express our firm opinion, but we can only draw your kind attention to the scale of fee fixed by the government of India for this kind of work. We have no idea of the time that the work is going to take in, as much as that this is not an easy type of work which anyone can take up. It is a very complicated and unusual type of work, the duration of which cannot be estimated at the present moment. Our senior technical assistants, two experienced accountants, and another senior manager who is highly qualified in banking are going to handle this work. Therefore, we would like to tell you that we would not be causing any inconvenience to the company. On the other hand, we may assure you that we can turn out the good work without any trouble or delay under any circumstances, and hope to get all assistance to our representatives. yours faithfully.